Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to pin a folder to the taskbar in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. I want to pin a folder at this taskbar. That is the goal for this video, and it is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the folder that you want to pin to the taskbar. I go to this PC, double click on this PC. In this PC, my folder is in D drive. I go to the D drive. You can go to your folder. Here is my folder. Right click on your folder and click on show more properties. Here we find create a shortcut. Click on the create a shortcut. Here we find our folder or create a shortcut folder. Here is my shortcut folder, my test data shortcut. Right click on your shortcut folder and go to the properties. Go to the properties. Here is our folder properties of the shortcut, and go to the target. In shortcut, we go to the target and go to the front of this target and type explorer.exe. Type explorer.exe, then space. Space is imp explorer.exe space, then our path of our folder. Apply it. And if you want to change icon of this folder or this shortcut, then go to there, change icon, and select icon that you want. I select this icon. You can select any icon that you like. I select this icon. You can select this or any other icon. I select this icon and click on OK and click on apply. Click on OK. Now we want to pin this shortcut to the upward taskbar. That is very easy. Right click on it and go to here, and here we find show more options. In show more options, find pin to taskbar. Click on the pin to taskbar and our folder is pinned to the taskbar. Here is our folder. Double click on it and our folder is open. All files, all things are open from your folder. So guys, this is the simplest way to pin a folder to taskbar in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.